Okay, let us discuss an important question, and the question is, if sine x equals to 1 upon 4 and x is in second quadrant. Here quadrant will tell you that it will be positive or negative. You have to find out sine x upon 2, cos x upon 2 and tan x upon 2. You can understand here that x is the double of x upon 2. So here we have to use the formula cos 2x. That can be written as cos square x minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1. Now let us start from sin x upon 2. How to find out this sin x upon 2? For that, first of all you have to find out cos x. How? Sin x is given and x is in second quadrant. So cos x will be equals to square root of 1 minus sin square x. That can be written as square root of 1 minus 1 upon 4 square, which will be equals to square root of 1 minus 1 upon 16, which will be equals to 16 1 is 16 minus 1, that is square root of 15 upon 16, and which will be equals to root 15 upon 4. Now it is positive and negative both, but it is in quadrant 2. So what we have to do? We have to use negative sign with it. Why? Because cos x is negative in second quadrant. So the value of cos x is negative in second quadrant. Now we know that cos x can be written as cos of 2 into x upon 2. Now replace this x with x upon 2. What will happen? This will be equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x upon 2. We have the value of cos x. Now we can calculate sin square x upon 2 or sin x upon 2. See how? We know that cos x is equals to minus root 15 upon 4 will be equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x upon 2. Then exchange the sides. 2 sin square x upon 2 will be equals to okay, so 2 sin square x upon 2 will be equals to 1 plus root 15 upon 4, and from here sin square x upon 2 will be equals to 4 1s are 4. This can be written as 4 plus root 15 upon this 2 will go in denominator, so it becomes 4 2s are 8, and the value of sin x upon 2 will be square root of 4 plus root 15 upon 8. Okay, now let us see cos x upon 2. So we know that cos x, as we have written in previous part, can be written as 2 cos square x upon 2 minus 1. Now we have the value of cos x, it is minus root 15 upon 4, can be written as 2 cos square x upon 2 minus 1. Now bring 1 to the left, it becomes 1 minus root 15 upon 4 is equals to 2 cos square x upon 2. Means the value of cos square x upon 2 will be equals to 4 minus root 15 upon 4 into, take this 2 to the left, it becomes 4 into 2. Now cos x upon 2 is equals to square root of 4 minus root 15 upon 8. Now you have to take care of the quadrant here. What was the quadrant? It was quadrant 2. It means it will be negative. The cos is negative in second quadrant. And you also know that tan is the ratio of sine and cos. So taking the ratio of sin x upon 2 and cos x upon 2, you can find out tan x upon 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.